Hi guys, it's me, Rovan, and I'm back from the 99-cent store with Mountain Dew Kickstart, Strawberry Kiwi Mountain Dew Kickstart, Energizing Watermelon, Pineapple Orange Mango, Blood Orange, Midnight Grape, Fruit Punch. We got Orange Citrus, Energizing Limeade, and last but not least, we have our Energizing Black Cherry. I tried like probably about a few of these already. You guys can see that. I'm gonna give you guys hopefully a decent angle. Gonna give it a quick taste. We're gonna try. I want to try the Midnight Grape because I don't really like grape. So I'm gonna try that one first. All right. There it is. Looks like the color's purple. It's purple. So yeah, let's go. Okay. Definitely the grape. Wow, okay. Grape. That's all you're getting is grape. Nothing special. Now the next one is we're gonna do fruit punch. There you go. Okay, if you ever had Mountain Dew Code Red, exactly like this. That's the fruit punch. The Kickstart right there. Once I drink. So how are your guys' day going? I'm just doing fine. This cost me about like 10 bucks. Here's the orange citrus. I had this one and the fruit punch before. Here it is. Tastes like orange juice. Citrusy orange. That's it. That's 3 down. Here's the limeade. I assume this is gonna taste like Mountain Dew. Actually, it tastes different. I can't really explain limeade. Sweet, sour, tangy. Pretty decent. Nothing special. Here's the black cherry. Again. Man, probably a burp alert, man. This is not good. Wow. Cough medicine alert right here. And I had this one before. Don't taste real good. So probably I would say grape, midnight grape. This one, limeade, the orange, and then the fruit punch. Fruit punch is my favorite. Kiwi strawberry. I think I had this one. Here it is, kiwi strawberry. And show you guys the actual. There you go. Camera's good. Oh. Wow. Not really feeling the kiwi strawberry either. Energizing watermelon. I want to burp, guys, down. Okay, so energizing watermelons here, Mountain Dew Kickstart. These be good. Ooh. I taste the watermelon, but I'm not feeling that either. That's a horrible aftertaste. Alright. Pineapple mango. Ooh, this is pineapple orange. Okay. I don't taste the orange though. Definitely better than the kiwi watermelon. Definitely better than the what is that? Strawberry kiwi. Yeah, I don't like the last three because it tastes like almost like a medicine kind of type thing. The last three, including the black grape, so the energizing watermelon, black cherry, strawberry kiwi, they kind of taste like cough syrup. And the midnight grape, they taste like cough syrup medicine. Not really good. And last but not least, this is a new one. This is actually Kickstart Recharge. So vitamin C and E, new energizing blood orange. Lock that in. This is my favorite, please. Okay. Wow. This one is the best. Okay. So I'm going to put this in order from my favorite and you guys will see. Obviously I just spoiled alert. This is first. Nah, I don't like that one. I want to say this is a second. You guys will see this right now. Okay. Or I gotta be tasty. This one's probably like the worst. I'm gonna put this the mango. I'm gonna put the mango in, and then this is gonna be a tough one. I don't like that smell. With coconut water. Okay, hold on. Oh, all these have coconut water. Well, okay. I just found out that some of the Kickstart hydrating has coconut water. That's really interesting. Definitely this one. I like this one better than the. We're gonna swap that out. I know what. Nah, I don't. Yeah, this looks better. And then this one, strawberry kiwi. This is probably gonna go here. Excuse me, guys. A lot of. Oh, right there. That was a good one right there. Okay, midnight grape, and then probably the watermelon. It's probably the last one. Looks like I already spoiled you guys for the first one, so I'm gonna go from the last one. Energizing watermelon goes last. Remember that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this one, watermelon, energizing watermelon, 9th, midnight grape, 8th, and then strawberry kiwi, 7th. This was really hard because I had to really switch this out. I was a tough between this one or this one, but I actually kind of like the black cherry better. So this one's 9th, energizing watermelon. 8th is midnight grape. 7th is strawberry kiwi. 6th is black cherry. Right? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And fifth is a pineapple orange mango. And you got fourth is the limeade. Third is the orange citrus. Second is fruit punch. And the first one is blood orange. Definitely my favorite. So yeah, definitely get blood orange. Definitely get the fruit punch. You're probably gonna like the orange citrus. This is like the closest to Mountain Dew, but it's not really Mountain Dew. All of the flavors, they taste what they say they are, except that these like the black cherry, the midnight grape, the watermelon, and kiwi, it's like a medicine. So beware of these four, and then the rest of the from the pineapple orange mango to the blood orange, you'll probably like it. It just depends if you like the fruit flavor. So the top five, I think everybody can drink. The last four is like an acquired taste, but then again, that's just me. Everybody has like a different flavor palette. So, but in my book, the blood orange is my favorite. Definitely gonna finish this, and I'm probably gonna sadly dump the rest of these out because I'm not drinking all of this. No way. So yeah, definitely get the blood orange if you guys see it in the market, and definitely get at least the top five. These other four are questionable. Top five here. These four are questionable. Thanks for joining me on this food review, guys. It's me, Rovin, from Rovin's Race and Review, with this drink review with Mountain Dew Kickstart. Definitely check out my food review and for LA Buns. They liked my video on Twitter and replied. Check out my NASCAR Let's Plays and my other food reviews. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Again, this is Rovin from Rovin's Race and Review, and I will see you all later.